2023 Wholesale USA Plug 5V2. For a Gan Type-C fast wall charger adapter. For iPhone, Samsung, Android, GPO. Fast 5V2. For a Type-C USB-C fast charging power adapter, max output power 5V2.4A. And output voltage from DC 5V to DC 18V. It can charge mobile devices by about 2.5x speed faster than a normal charger. And 30 minutes are enough up to 50% power. Our Type-C fast charger has complete protection. OVP, OCP, OTP, OLP, fireproof material, etc. We have been supporting our agents with great conditions to develop business in local market. Welcome you join in us. Looking forward to your contact and advice.